FAZ Nachrichten is a prominent news application for Android, offering users access to a comprehensive array of articles, features, and reports from the esteemed German newspaper Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung, FAZ. The app covers diverse topics such as politics, economy, culture, sports, and more, ensuring that users stay informed about key events and developments. It provides real-time updates and in-depth analyses, allowing readers to explore stories from multiple perspectives. With a user-friendly interface, the app enables users to create a personalized newsfeed tailored to their preferences, ensuring they receive content relevant to their interests. Additionally, FAZ Nachrichten includes offline reading capabilities, allowing users to download articles for later access without an internet connection. The app also features multimedia content like videos and podcasts, enriching the overall news consumption experience. Users can set notifications for breaking news, ensuring they never miss important updates. Overall, FAZ Nachrichten aims to deliver high-quality journalism and keep users engaged with the latest developments in a dynamic and accessible manner.